आगे मैम।
ये बस
stereotypes for us?
इसलिए लगा था यहाँ we cannot use fans here. Noise creation. मुनज़्ज़र को हाँ बोलो
We have successfully inaugurated World Hearing Day 2026, and it's now time to continue this meaningful program dedicated to this year's theme, From Communities to Classrooms.
On the occasion of World Hearing Day 2020.
Principal Dean, Government Medical College Anantnag, Professor Dr. Rukhsana Najib, our honored guest, CMO Anantnag, Dr. Khalid Parvez, distinguished faculty members, officials of GMC Anantnag, administration and NHM, officials of DEIC Anantnag, participants from Health Department, members from print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm and cordial welcome to all of you on the occasion of World Hearing Day 2026. At the outset, it's overwhelming to see such an encouraging gathering for a cause that directly impacts the quality of life of our children and communities. Hearing is not merely a sensory function, it is a gateway to communication, education and inclusion.
जब तेरी आवाज सुनी हमने, मुद्दतों बाद जब तेरी आवाज सुनी हमने, ऐसा लगा दिल से दुआ कबूल हो गई। There is a beautiful saying that hearing is a gateway to understanding, bridge between hearts, and a melody that colors the life. आज के इस प्रोग्राम की जो हमारी सदर हैं, चीफ गेस्ट हमारी जहती प्रिंसिपल मैम डॉक्टर रुखसाना, मेरे बड़े भाई और हमारे प्रोफेसर ENT और मेरे उस्ताद भी रह चुके हैं डॉक्टर काजी।
On occasion of World Hearing Day and a small CME, I welcome you all on the inaugural function of this one-day CME, which is an important topic, that is the World Hearing Day, and today's theme is From Communities to Classrooms, Caring for the Children's Hearing. So we celebrate this day every year, and this day has been started since 2007 by WHO, and in one of the international conferences in Beijing, Geneva, this was decided that it should be 3rd of March, because the 2 ears, the shape of the 2 ears is 3 and 3 like. So 2 ears means 3 and 3. That is why since 2007 we are celebrating this World Hearing Day. Why this is important? Because hearing is an important sense, and it is so important for the development of the child and overall the community. The incident.
So next will be training. We need to train primary health level physicians and healthcare workers regarding the relevance of ear disease and the need for early intervention to address hearing loss and what are the different available treatment options. Next will be making appropriate technologies available. There have been significant advances in hearing aids and cochlear implants, but still these technologies remain available to only a fraction of the people. We need to make sure that these technologies are made available to a wider range of people.
मतलब blindness ज़्यादा वर्स है या hearing loss वर्स? नहीं, दिल से बोलो। देखो, एक तो ये है कि आपको लगा है कि ये तो hearing का है, तो hearing loss है। अच्छा, आपको अगर चॉइस दिया जाए जिंदगी में यहाँ पे है ना सभी, यहाँ बाहर आ गए ऐसे कि जो हम पे कंट्रोल करेंगे, वो बोलेंगे हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे। आपको एक ही चॉइस लेना है, इधर यू हैव टू बी ब्लाइंड और यू हैव टू बी डेफ। आपको एक को चूज करना है। तो डेफ, जो डेफ बोल रहे हैं कि हम डेफ रहना चाहेंगे लेकिन बुलाए नहीं।
Takeshi now? Now?
यही स्टोरी है ना, God does not have
के
लिए आगे आना है। हेयरिंग एड लगा प्लान का आउटर तो इससे शर्माना नहीं है, ये लगाना है। जब ये सुनेगी तब ये बात करेगी, कोई दिक्कत नहीं करता है। ये यही है, मतलब
difficulties in swallowing can refer patients to us. We're all thankful to all those who have participated here since morning. You are sitting here, and the parents and the children who came here and presented their stories. We are very overwhelmed. Your presence was very essential for community awareness and just promoting those parents who are just reluctant to give hearing aid to their kids. We are thankful to all. Thankful to Madam, thankful to everybody. Thank you all.